Hello everyone, and now in this tutorial we are going to learn a very important topic, which is a custom directive. The custom directive is the thing which you want to give your own specific way to declare a directive. So you have learned lots of directive like if, ng for, ng else, ng model. So whenever you are declaring a ng model, so it will giving you of the flavor of two-way binding. Now if I want to declare my directive, so which is going to do the particular task which I want. So I should achieve this task through the customizing the directory. So how do I achieve? Let's see. So first step, if you want to achieve this custom directive thing, so first go and create a directive. So how do I create a directive? So suppose I want to create a directive which, if I implement the directive, that will be change the background color of the text. So for that I should create ngd, d for directive, and highlights is the name of the directive. Okay, now it's already created, so I will be directly going to the highlights directive. Whenever you are creating a directive, you will be getting always two files. First file which represents us the directive, and second one is the spec.ts, which is always for the testing. Now my task is this directive, whenever I use this directive, it should change the background color of that particular text. So this is your selector, means the name of the directive. Now I want to change the elements color, native element color. So I should use element reference, which is a part of Angular/core package, and directive is also part of Angular/core package. So again I need to take a reference of element e1.native element. I am talking of about the native element, means HTML DOM element. Then style, I want to change the background color, that's why I took style and the background color property. So background color I am making a yellow, you can make it any color, green, blue, whatever you want. So now whenever I am implementing this app highlights the directive, that should be change the background color of that element as a green. Similarly, you can do a lots of things also with that element. Now if I want to say parallelly e1 dot native element dot style dot color, if I am saying color equal to, and I'll be assigning to blue. Now this is the background, this will making your background color is green and the text color will be blue. So now if I'll checking, it's again and again just taking same reference, so let's make it a second reference e2. Is again element reference. Now use e2. Now it's okay. Now let's go back, and there is one more step remains. You should use this to declare this directive in the app.module.ts. So in app.module.ts you should import that highlight directive, and declaration you should add that highlight directives. Now if I run this application ng serve, then it will execute your application, and now I want to use this highlight directive in some component. So let's copy this directive app highlights and go back to your app.component.html. Here I am using this directive, and highlight me is your text, and if I am using this directive, then it means your background color should be yellow, or sorry, green, and the text color would be your blue. So let's wait and till that, yeah, now it's going to execute. Now if you go to browser, now see, you see, yeah, now you can see the background color is green and the text color would be red. So you can change any of the styles. So you can create, you can achieve other tasks also with the directive. So you all the customization code you should write in your that directive. So anything you write here, element, you can take element reference and use the style property, color, the font, anything you want to do in this with the help of this directive. So that's all from the custom directive side, and keep watching our videos and watch all throughout the videos for Angular. I will going to cover everything and with the project. Thanks for watching. Bye.